In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Stripe payment plan / installments. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Before you create anything, make sure you are in the correct account or workspace. This is important if you manage more than one business or project in Stripe. From the left-hand sidebar, click Product Catalog, then click Create Product. On the Product Setup page, enter a clear name for your payment plan. Choose a name that helps you easily recognize what the customer is paying for. If needed, add a description with a little more detail. Next, go to the Pricing section and select Recurring. This tells Stripe that the customer will be charged on a repeating schedule instead of making just a one-time payment. Enter the installment amount you want the customer to pay during each billing cycle. After that, choose the correct currency for the payment. Then select the billing period. For example, if you want the customer to pay once each month, choose Monthly. Once those details are entered, click Add Product or Create Product to save it. After the product is created, review it carefully. Make sure the recurring amount and billing period are correct before moving on. If you need more than one recurring price for the same product, click Add Price. Then select Recurring again. Enter the new installment amount, choose the billing period, and save it. This is useful if you want different payment options for the same product. When your recurring product is ready, go back to the left-hand sidebar and click Payment Links. Then click Create Payment Link. Select the product and the recurring price you just created. Stripe will use that recurring price to start a subscription when the customer checks out. Before you finish, review the checkout settings. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link that you can copy and share with your customer. When the customer opens the link and completes checkout, Stripe will create a recurring subscription for them. Stripe will then automatically charge the installment amount based on the billing schedule you selected. One important thing to remember is that a standard recurring subscription continues until it is canceled. If you want a fixed number of installments, you will need to cancel the subscription after the final payment or use a limited term subscription setup if that is available in your Stripe configuration. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.